Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're looking at the FAXX, the next generation American fighter concept. In 5 minutes I'll cover its purpose, key features, likely tech, strengths and weaknesses, and why it matters. Let's dive in. What is the FAXX? The FAXX is a conceptual next-generation air superiority fighter designed to replace or complement current frontline jets. Think of it as the step beyond 5th-generation fighters, focused on speed, stealth, range, and working as part of a networked combat team. Role and mission. Its main missions would be air dominance and long-range strike, while operating with drones and sensors. FAXX is meant to control contested airspace, escort strike packages, hunt enemy fighters and integrated air defenses, and share data across the battlefield. Design and stealth. Although final designs vary, expect a stealthy airframe, low observable shaping, internal weapons bays, and heat management measures. Designers will balance stealth with aerodynamics to keep the jet agile in dogfights while remaining hard to detect at long range. Next-gen engines likely give higher thrust, better fuel efficiency, and supercruise capability, meaning sustained supersonic flight without afterburners. That increases range, reduces fuel burn, and improves tactical flexibility. Sensors and avionics. One of FAX's biggest advances is sensor fusion. Expect powerful AESA radars, distributed sensors across the airframe, and onboard AI to process data fast. The jet will act as a sensor shooter node, finding targets and passing actionable data to other platforms. A defining feature is teaming with drones, loyal wingmen that extend sensor reach or carry extra weapons. FAXX will likely use open systems architecture for rapid upgrades, letting the aircraft accept new software, sensors, and weapons quickly. Weapons and loadout. Weapons will be a mix of advanced air-to-air missiles, standoff weapons, and possibly directed energy or electronic attack packages. Internal bays for stealthy loadouts plus external pylons when stealth isn't required. Strengths. Strengths include superior situational awareness, long reach, survivability in contested environments, and flexibility for modular systems and drone teaming. It's meant to keep air superiority even as air defenses and adversary fighters improve. Challenges and concerns. Challenges are cost, development time, and integrating complex systems reliably. New tech, AI, swarm control, and advanced engines must be matured. Also, balancing stealth, speed, and payload is always a trade-off. Why it matters. FAXX matters because future combat will be networked and contested. A platform that senses, thinks, and shares faster wins. This jet could be a force multiplier across air, sea, and land operations. Closing. Thanks for watching. Hit like if you enjoyed this quick FAXX overview, subscribe for more jet reviews, and tell me in the comments what feature you find most exciting. See you next time.